Keshan's boyfriend and his family missing in action. This according to her sister, Peteisha Brown.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There has been no contact between the man who allegedly ended the life of dancehall artist Keshan in controversial circumstances in the Sharper Lane area near Old Harbour in St. Catherine on Saturday, July 20th, and the deceased woman's family since the tragedy. This is despite reports that the two were lovers, and it was during a violently jealous rage from the artist that the fatality occurred. Keshan was shot dead after reportedly attacking her lover, a licensed firearm holder, in a fit of rage that was said to have related to cheating on his part. She reportedly threw a rock through the windshield of his car and was shot in a subsequent physical confrontation with him, during which he was said to have been stabbed by the artist. Fast forward to Sunday, July 28, when there is to be a candlelight vigil at the family home of the artist in the nearby community of Marleymount, and the distance between the usually close-knitted families remains extremely pronounced amid a report that she was pregnant at the time of her death. Brown indicated that her family had not been contacted by the licensed firearm holder or his family since the shooting death of the entertainer, despite the close ties among them before. My brother is a friend of his sister. They live in the community in front of us, but no one has contacted us. He has not said a word to us, and it is so heartrending because I found out by looking through her phone that she was pregnant at the time of her death, the sister said. No autopsy has been done that could confirm this assertion. She was shot in the head, not in the other section of her upper body, as some people are saying on social media. I don't believe it was an accident. She was shot in the head. She was pregnant. I hope the police do what they are supposed to do, she said. The sister said her family is demanding that the police do a thorough investigation of the circumstances surrounding the death of the dancehall artist at the hands of her lover, who is yet to be charged with any offense.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.